So my name is Rafe Khan, and as you can see, our truck over here, the Hungry Lion. We serve fast food over here like pasta, burgers, shawarma, etc. And the owner is Danish. Here I present you some special dishes of our Hungry Lion. We don't use any ready-made stuff over here. We make our own patty. For the chicken burger, I would suggest the chicken cheeseburger is really good. The double cheeseburger is really good, and our special THL burger is awesome. The ingredients, the marination, it's all our own. So here it is our special burger, which is THL special. THL special stands for the Hungry Lion special. It has the double patty inside, as you can see, and it's very rich. Like it's a very heavy burger. You can try over here, and we have the meal plan also for this, as you can see over here. We don't use ready-made patties which usual people use. Wasn't appealing for us. Like people like it, but we weren't self-satisfied about that. The customer should feel the fresh taste, so we make this patty every day over here. So yeah, here's our hard work, and we maintain hygiene also for making this patty over here, so that a customer can get a pure taste of what we are serving to them. And as I am doing this hospitality course, so I just tried my best for this patty, and it was well, and we are satisfied with it. Even our customers are satisfied. So here we are making a special pasta, which is jalapeno cheese sauce pasta, which is not included in the menu, and which is discovered and in like experimented by myself. And I'm still pursuing a course for hotel management. My passion is to cook, so I try new stuffs over here, and if it is good, so we add in the menu. Jalapeno cheese sauce. The pasta was very soft because we make it as Italian style, authentic Italian style. We boil it for a temperature. In short, I can say that we pre-cook the pasta, which is called al dente, which is the traditional method to cook the pasta. For the pasta, we have you can basically red, white, and pink. Then we have chili cheese pasta and tomato cheese pasta, which is really the invention, you can say, something like out of the box.
Something potato stuffed, and this is called tornado.
Most of the people don't know what tornado is exactly is. So it's basically potato swirls, which is deep fried over here, and we put our special sauces over here like peri peri, cheese, chili cheese. You can come and try over here. No one serves tornado in this area, I can say. So this is our special THL shawarma over here. This comes with a special the Hungry Lion sauce, which is invented by us, and this is an extra large shawarma, you can say. We came up with it like just in random. One of our friends came and he suggested us to make without the mayonnaise, make a sauce like on based on the sauce. We came through this. You can try barbecue shawarma or salsa shawarma. I would suggest the THL shawarma is the best among us.
Definitely is not going to say, but you should really try over here. It's really good. They have really interesting things over here, basically.
Okay, we make it with our full efforts and love, so that the flavor, the aroma comes out really well, and it's satisfies everyone. As you can see, our food truck is really antique, and no one in this area has this kind of a food truck, and so compact. We serve six kind of food, in which varieties, at least for one burger we have 6 to 7 varieties in that. So every time we try something new and try to give our customers something good, and we ask them if they want outside the menu something. So here's my creativity and hard work, so I can, every time I can satisfy them, I can surprise them with my another signature.